because I really hate scrubbing them. Don't point your thing in my face and laugh.
No, no, it's really far, hon. It's not.
I hate scrubbing. Look at the pan. You get it? It's clear?
Yeah. So what are you making?
We're just making scrambled eggs. That's it. Very simple, but with cheese. On these pans.
Just put it down.
I tried one once. Like a year and a half ago. And I really liked the pan. Then
Is it a year?
Over a year. Then I went out and bought the set. That you got mad because you bought the set. Now you really like them. Because these are the best pans. For the money. I mean, there are pans that supposedly do this for a lot more money.
How many pieces you got in the box?
I think there were 8 pieces.
Yeah, but
4 pots and pans and 4 covers. And I think it was.
No, they counted.
It was 16 pieces because it also had the serving utensils and stuff.
Yeah.
So it was 2 pans, 2 pots, the flat thing for the pancakes, and the covers and throwing cheese into the eggs. We cheesy scrambled eggs. Except I don't have any bacon. So there won't be any bacon.
Not too much cheese, huh?
That's fine. It's all going to mix into the eggs shortly. Now these pans claim to be utensil safe. I don't put that to the test because I don't want to go out and buy new pans. Supposedly, like most pans, if you use a metal utensil.
I did use the big one, the pot.
If you scratch it with a metal utensil, scratch it and finish off it in the pan.
No, it doesn't even ruin.
Well, you're supposed to be utensil safe. I just don't put it to the test.
Non-stick, right?
There are lots of non-stick pans. I've used lots of non-stick pans in my life. This is by far the best I've used, by a long shot. Again, I don't go out and spend $100 for a pan, so I'm sure there's chef quality, crazy ass pans. This is T-Fal. If you want a pan that...
What's the name of this?
T-Fal. If you want a pan that works well, easy to clean up no matter what you burn on it. It just cleans right up, no Brillo, no SOS, just a sponge. This is the way to go. Cheese will burn right to a pan and it'll be a pain in the neck to get off. Well, you don't have to sit there. I just showing the burnt stuff from there.
That's really easy. You don't have to use SOS to clean it up.
These pans we've used all the time for
everything.
Almost a year now, right?
Yeah, almost a year.
They still look
good.
Like new.
Yeah.
The original one I got, we use it at the other house, which has fire, so you have black on the bottom from the fire. Since this is electric, I don't have that issue here. But the pan itself,
it's perfect.
The only thing is the screws, the coating will wear off on the screws first.
Oh, really?
And they'll get silver, but the pan, or at least the old pan. Now this one's, like I said, this is a year old and it's still, we use it all the time. Pans always frustrated me because I really hate scrubbing them. Don't point your thing in my face and laugh.
No, no, it's really far, hon. It's not.
I hate scrubbing pans.
I know, it's annoying.
Well, because sometimes you can't get the stuff off of them I've had the Teflon, which was the original no stick.
And then it's
The
the
Teflon, and then the coating flakes off, and it gets in your food. And you can see. I looked into the copper ones, but I read reviews that said the copper breaks down little by little and infuses into your food, so you're getting heavy metals into your diet. Anyway, so when I saw these pans, I figured I'd try them because they gotta be worth
Where
trying.
did you find the one that you get individual?
First one
Target.
I found the Target.
And how much is
And I
individual?
only got it because it said utensil safe.
Okay.
Because she's getting older and she tends to, she says she doesn't, but she'll take a fork
Yeah.
and scratch it. So even I don't say to anybody it's utensil safe, supposedly it is, so it won't get damaged. And then I really liked it so much that Macy's had it on sale, the whole set, so I bought the whole set.
Okay, so how much is the one that you get from Target? That only a small one and it's non-stick in Target? 23 something bucks.
The one I bought originally, which is a little bit bigger than this pan, I think it was like $29. The set was on sale for, I think it was $79 or $89 for the whole set. So then I definitely had to get that. And of course, MaryAnn yelled at me because what are you buying that for?
Of course.
But now she used them. Now she loves them.
It's a good product. It's easy to clean. You don't have to dig in because it's sticking.
But if you're going to tell people things, tell them things that might help them in their lives.
Yeah.
This is inexpensive. You can find them on sale, even if they're not on sale. Maybe it's $140 the set.
Bye. Thank you.
It'll make your life
Easier.
easier.
So this is, guys, this is Tommy's review.
Here it is. Product is T-Fal. Now, I see a lot of T-Fals out there, but not all of them say metal utensil safe. So read the box closely. Originally, they used to put it on the box, big letters.
Yeah.
You know, metal utensil safe. Now I find that it doesn't necessarily say it. Maybe it's not such a novelty anymore. It doesn't say it. But if you read the specs on it, it'll tell you in the specs. Again, if you don't use metal utensils, you've been using Teflon for years, you know not to use metal utensils. That's fine. I take care of her. My mother, I deal with her. She tends to, you know, occasionally sit there, even though she's using plastic or high heat rubber utensils, she'll tend to do something with a fork or a knife and scratch it. So.
And that's why you bought it, looking for that kind.
So I got that, and I don't say it because then other people feel, oh, I'm gonna just get a metal spatula and all this, and they just. I don't think it's designed to take abuse. I don't think anything's designed to take abuse. So I don't say it, but I figure this way, those little mishaps maybe won't have an adverse effect.
Okay, let's go.
My coffee.
Oh, you don't have any more coffee?
I have coffee.
Okay. Okay, do you want to go above?
Yeah, but look.
People look? Okay.
Not about you.
He's going out. I'm going to follow him, guys. See you later, guys.